Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to the penultimate class, class 8 of Sri Raghuvira Gadyam. So tomorrow, as you all know, we are going to have a revision of the entire Gadyam on the occasion of Sri Ramanavami. Today we are going to complete learning the remaining lines 90 to 94 and the verses which follow. So we are going to conclude learning the Gadyam today. Welcome to our panelists, Aditi and Ishu. I have received many emails that you all want to chant individually. I have made a note of all the names. So I will call out your names individually and please unmute and chant. I don't think we will have time for others today because the list I have itself is quite big. So hoping that all of you who have sent an email will definitely get the chance to chant today. Let us begin. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रासध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योमभास्करः. Let us quickly recap the verses which we learned yesterday. That is from 71 to 89. Mm, 72 to 89 rather. Nishpannakritya khapushpitaripupaksha पुष्पकरभसगति गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव प्रतिज्ञार्णवतरण कृतक्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ स्वामिन् राघव सिंह हाटक गिरिकटक लडह पादपीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि विविध मणिगण किरण निकर नीराजित चरण राजीव दिव्य भौमायोध्याधिदैवत पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पूर्वकाल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश शुभ चरितरत भरत खर्वित गर्भ गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष विधिवश परिणमदमर फणिति कविवर रचित निज चरित निबंधन निशमन निर्वृत सर्वजन सम्मानित पुनरुपस्थापित विमानवर विश्राणन प्रीणित वैश्रवण विश्रावित यशः प्रपंच पंचतापन्न मुनिकुमार संजीवनामृत त्रेतायुग प्रवर्तित कार्तयुग वृत्तान्त अविकल बहु सुवर्ण हयमख सहस्र निर्वहण निर्वर्तित निज वर्णाश्रम धर्म. We have learned till here. There was one question about how to pronounce this word sahasra and what is the difference from sahasra. So when you say astra, there is a sa, ra and a ta. Whereas here it is sahasra. There is no ta there. That is the difference. If you look at the diacritical version, it is S-A-H-A-S-R-A, sahasra. Whereas if you say astra, there is a T or a ta. So that is the difference. Please note here it is Sahasra Nirbahana. There was an email regarding this, so I thought I would clarify that. Ishu, please unmute. We will start learning today's lines, 90th line onwards. Sarva karma samaradhya.
सर्वकर्म समाराध्य सर्वकर्म समाराध्य
सनातन धर्म
सनातन धर्म सनातन धर्म.
So sarva karma samaradhya. Dha is Mahaprana here. Sanatana dharma. Dha again here is Mahaprana. So this Sambodhana Sanatana dharma, Vedanta Deshikaha addresses Sri Rama as Sanatana dharma itself. So this reminds us of a line in Srimad Ramayanam where Maharshi Valmiki says, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. Rama is the very embodiment of dharma itself. Now there is no exact word in English to translate for dharma, so no other word would do justice to it. And Sanatana dharma, the eternal dharma laid down by the Vedas, etc. So here Deshikaha also addresses Sri Rama as very Sanatana dharma itself. Next line. Saket Janapada Janidhanika.
साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक साकेत पद जनिधनिक
जंगम
जंगम जंगम
तदितर जंतु जात दिव्य गति दान दर्शित
तदितर जंतु जात दिव्य गति दान दर्शित तदितर जंतु जात दिव्य गति दान दर्शित
नित्य निस्सीम वैभव
नित्य निस्सीम वैभव नित्य निस्सीम वैभव.
Jani Dhanika, Dha is Mahaprana, and Nitya Nisima Vaibhava, Dha is Mahaprana. Now the entire line. Saketa Janapada Jani Dhanika Jangama Taditara Jantu Jata Divya Gati Dana Darshita Nitya Nisima Vaibhava.
साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक जंगम तदितर जंतु जात दिव्य गति दान दर्शित नित्य निस्सीम वैभव. साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक जंगम तदितर जंतु जात दिव्य गति दान दर्शित नित्य निस्सीम वैभव.
Now Aditi, next slide please. Please unmute. भवतपनतापित भक्तजन भद्राराम
भवतपनतापित भक्तजन भद्राराम भवतपनतापित भक्तजन भक्तजनभद्रा राम.
Here, bhava, bha is mahaprana, bhava tapana tapita, bhakta jana, bha is mahaprana, bhadra rama. Bhava tapana tapita bhakta jana bhadra rama.
भवतपनतापित भक्तजनभद्रा राम.
Once again.
भवतपनतापित भक्तजनभद्रा राम.
Shri Ramabhadra.
श्रीरामभद्र श्रीरामभद्र.
Bha is mahaprana, Shri Ramabhadra. Namaste, namaste.
नमस्ते 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 नमस्ते.
Punaste namaha.
पुनस्ते नमः पुनस्ते नमः.
Namaste, namaste.
नमस्ते 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 नमस्ते.
Punaste namaha.
पुनस्ते नमः पुनस्ते नमः.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha Aditi. So with this we have completed the Gadyam part, that is the lines which are in the form of Gadyam, but however we have the verses follow, so the shlokas, we will learn the shlokas now. Aditi, please unmute. So we chant these shlokas also along with the Gadyam. So after the Gadyam we chant this. Chaturmukheshwaramukhaih.
चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः
पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने.
पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने.
नमः सीतासमेताय.
नमः सीतासमेताय नमः सीतासमेताय.
रामाय गृहमेधिने.
रामाय गृहमेधिने रामाय गृहमेधिने.
This is in the form of a verse. So now I'm sure you can make out the difference, how the lines when we chanted the Gadyam part, and this is in the form of a shloka. So that is the difference. Now you all will be able to make out, as some of you are asking how to differentiate a Gadyam from a shloka. Now you know how this is. So here there is a particular meter, a chandas, in which this shloka is worded. Chaturmukheshwara mukhaihi, 8 letters per quarter, per pada. This is Anushtup. Chaturmukheshwara mukhaihi putra pautraadishaline.
चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने. चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने.
नमः सीतासमेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने.
नमः सीतासमेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने. नमः सीतासमेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने.
चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने. नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने
चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने चतुर्मुखे
Yes,
चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने
here Chaturmukheshwara. Khe is Mahaprana, Mukhaihi. Khai is Mahaprana. Ramaya Grihamedhine. So Dhi is also Mahaprana. Next one issue, next verse, please. Kavi Kathaka Simha Kathitam. Issue, please unmute. Kavi Kathaka Simha Kathitam.
कविकथकसिंहकथितम् कविकथकसिंहकथितम्
कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भ गम्भीरम्
कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भगम्भीरम् कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भगम्भीरम्
भव भय भेषजमेतत्
भव भय भेषजमेतत् भव भय भेषजमेतत्
पठत
पठत पठत
महावीर वैभवम्
महावीर वैभवम् महावीर वैभवम्
सुधियः
सुधियः सुधियः
many Mahapranaha in this particular verse. Kavi Kathaka Simha Kathitam. Tha and Thi here. Note the Mahapranas carefully. Tha and Thi. Kathora Sukumara Gumbha Gambhiram. Kathora Gumbha Gambhiram. Mahapranas. Bhava Bhaya Bheshaja Metat. Bha, Bha and Bhe. Pathata. Only Tha is Mahaprana. Ta is Alpaprana. Pathata. Mahavira Vaibhavam. This is also the name of this Gadyam. Mahavira Vaibhavam. The great Vaibhava of Mahavira, the great warrior Rama. Mahavira Vaibhavam. Sudhiyaha. So, I'm sorry, I think I underlined Dhi there. I'll not be able to remove each individually. The entire underlining goes. I will do it again. Kavi Kathaka Simha Kathitam Kathora Sukumara Gumbha Gambhiram. So Kathora Gumbha Gambhiram Bhava Bhaya Bheshajam Etat. So there are three Mahapranas here in this pada. Bhava Bhaya Bheshajam Etat. Pathata Tha Mahaprana. Mahavira Vaibhavam. Bha is Mahaprana. Sudhiyaha. Dhi is Mahaprana. We will repeat this. Kavi Kathaka Simha Kathitam Kathora Sukumara Gumbha Gambhiram.
कविकथकसिंहकथितम् कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भगम्भीरम् कविकथकसिंहकथितम् कठोरसुकुमारकुम्भगम्भीरम्
भवभयभेषजमेतत्
भवभयभेषजमेतत्
पठत महावीरवैभवं सुधियः
पठत महावीरवैभवं सुधियः पठत महावीरवैभवं सुधियः.
Now the entire verse. Kavi kathaka simha kathitam kathora sukumara gumbha gambhiram bhava bhaya bheshajame tat pathata mahavira vaibhavam sudhiyah.
कवि कथक सिंह कथितं कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भगम्भीरं भव भय भेषजमेतत् पठत महावीर वैभवं सुधियः.
Uttamam. Now next verse. See, there are so many Mahapranaha here, and it is a lot of exercise to our breathing capacity also. So it improves your breath control, etc. It is important to chant each and every Mahaprana. Next. Kavitarkika Simhaya.
कवितार्किकसिंहाय कवितार्किकसिंहाय
कल्याण गुणशालिने
कल्याण गुणशालिने कल्याण गुणशालिने
श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय
श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय
वेदांत गुरवे नमः
वेदांत गुरवे नमः वेदांत गुरवे नमः
कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने
कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने
श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः
श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः.
Now the entire verse. This is a salutation to Vedanta Deshikaha. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Shrimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha.
कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः.
Uttamam. Aditi, request you also to please chant the last two verses. Kavi Kathaka Simha Kachitam and the last one.
कवि कथक सिंह कथितं कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भ गंभीरं भव भय भेषजमेतत् पठत महावीर वैभवं सुधियः. कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः।
Tamam. So with this we have concluded learning this Gadyam, which we commenced on April 13th, that is on Ugadi, and in a span of 8 days. Very grateful to our panelists Aditi and Ishu, who have been very consistent and regular, and who have also practiced in advance. And thank you so much for helping with the Anucharanam, Aditi and Ishu. Dhanyavadaha. Also, I must mention that Aditi joined us almost just before we started this Gadyam. So due to some contingency, I had to inform her at the last hour, and she practiced on her own along with the recording, and she has done a great job. So thank you Aditi and Ishu for helping with the Anucharanam. Okay, so now let me quickly recap whatever we have learned today. सर्वकर्म समाराध्य सनातन धर्म साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक जंगम तदितर जंतु जात दिव्य गतिदान दर्शित नित्य निस्सीम वैभव भवतपन तापित भक्त जन भद्राराम श्री रामभद्र नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमः नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमः चतुर्मुखेश्वरमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने कविकथक सिंह कथितम् कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भ गम्भीरम् भव भय भेषजमेतत् पठत महावीर वैभवं सुधियः कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः। There are a few requests saying, can you please chant the entire Gadyam in Ragam? I will do that tomorrow. Yes, the full Gadyam I will chant tomorrow with the Ragam, and all of you can listen to it. And like I said, you can incorporate how much ever Raga tune you wish to. It is okay to keep the tune simple also, as long as the words and the pronunciation is correct. And full Gadyam I will chant tomorrow. Today we have a lot of requests for chanting individually. If I chant the Gadyam also, again we won't have time. So today I will call out the names of those who have sent me an email. And tomorrow on Sri Ramanavami Day, we will chant the entire Gadyam. I request all of you to join us tomorrow to experience this Gadyam start to finish, to experience that Mahavira Vaibhavam and the Rasanubhuti yourselves. So tomorrow we will do that. Hoping to see all of you tomorrow in class. Today we will begin with the individual chanting. There are many requests for Gadyatrayam, etc. of Sri Ramanujacharyaha. Thank you very much. We will definitely consider all of them. And by the grace of Gurus and Bhagavan, let's see, whatever we can offer, we will offer through Vyoma. Mukundamala, okay, a lot of requests are there. It has been a great experience for me as well. It has been a very fulfilling journey. Thank you so much to all of you. And we will begin with the individual chanting now. I will call out the names. Again, like I mentioned, the first preference would be for those who haven't chanted even once till now, because there are some who have been waiting. So I know some of you have already chanted, you've sent me an email again. If there is time, I will call out your names. Otherwise, those who haven't chanted even once till now, they will get a chance. G. Natarajan Mahodaya, please unmute. It says self-muted. G. Natarajan Mahodaya, please unmute. When I call out your name, please unmute.
Yes, madam. I would be heading to Jada Kirana.
Oh, okay, sure.
There is a reason for that, because it speaks about my head and also Rama's foot, to which I don't qualify. In fact, none of us qualify.
Yes.
May I start?
Yes, so Jada Kirana, just because you mentioned Mahodaya, this particular line, just for everyone's benefit, this line deals with Ahalya Shapa Vimochana. So that is the episode in this line. Yes.
Let me start.
Yes, please.
Jada Kirana Sakaladara Jatila Natapati Makuta Tada Natapatu Vibhuta Sarita Ati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita Pada Nalina Raja Upamrudita Nija Vrujina Jagatupalatanu Ruchira Paramunivara Yuvatinuta. Thank you.
Few observations, Mahodaya. It is Shakaladhara, not Sakala. Shakaladhara and
Shakaladhara.
Natapati Makuta Tata. Here there was a slight difference. Makuta Tata. The Mahapranas, of course, have to be kept in mind. Vibudha, Saridati Bahula. We chant the word together. Saridati Bahula. Madhugalana Lalita Pada Nalina Raja. And there was one in the last few words also. Jahadupala Tanuruchira Parama Munivara Yuvatinuta.
Oh, Parama Muni. That's okay, right? Parama Munivara.
Yuvatinuta. Yes. Dhanyavada.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next, Bama Ramanath Bhagini. Please unmute. Yes. Do you have any preference, Bhagini? Which line?
Good evening, madam. You
Good
are
evening.
able to hear me?
Yes, able to hear you.
Okay.
Any
I would like to go this Vigala Bhaya.
Which one?
Vigala Bhaya.
Vigata Bhaya.
Yeah.
Okay, Vigata Bhaya.
Vigata Bhaya Vibhuta.
Yes, I'm looking for which number that is.
That number I forgot to write.
Okay, you could recite.
Can you please correct me?
Oh, yes.
In case I'm wrong somewhere, can you please correct me?
Yes, of course, Bhagini.
Okay. Vigila Bhaya Vibhuta Parivruta Vibodita Virasayana Sajita Vanara Pratanaugaha Sarasamaya.
Bhagini, just a second. It is Vigata Bhaya Vibudha. Vigata Bhaya. Bha is Mahaprana.
Vigata Bhaya
Vibudha
Parivrita Vibodita Virasayana Sayita.
Bhagini, it is Virashayana.
Virashayana. Vibodita Virashayana Sayita Vanara Pratanugaha.
It is not Shayita, it is Shayita.
Sayita. Okay.
Shayita Vanara Pritanaugha.
Britanauga.
Okay. Not Ba. Pritanaugha.
Britan. Vigata Bhaya Vibhuta Parivrita Vibodita Virasayana Sayita Vanara Sahitya Vanara
Not Sahitya, Shahita.
Sahita Vanara Pratanuha
Pritanuga.
Swasamaya Vihatita Sukatita Sahasradaya
Sahridaya.
Sahadharma Charinika
Sahadharma just a second, Bhagini. Sahadharma Charinika.
Sahadharma Charinika
That's right.
Vibhishana Vasamvadikrita Lankeshwarya
Vashamvadikrita.
Vasamvadikrita Lankeshwarya.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Also request you all to please limit yourselves to 1 or 2 lines, because there are a lot of them who have sent me their names. So I would like to give all of them a chance. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Please note the hrasvas and dirghas, all of you. That is the short letters and the long letters and the Alpa Prana, Mahaprana. Sudha Venkat Bhagini, you had sent me an email that your mother would like to chant. Would you unmute, or should I call out your mother's name, Bhagini?
अखिल जगदधिक भुज बलवर बल दश लपन लपन दशक लवन जनित कदन परवश रजनि चर युवती विलपन बचन सम विषय निगम शिखर निकर मुखर मुख मुनिवर परिपणित
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद.
Your mother would like to chant. You said Vishalakshi Shankaran Bhakti. Is she with you, or?
Yeah, I am her mother.
Oh, you are okay. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Okay.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Shyamala Kumar Bhagini. Okay, what I suggest is, please unmute Shyamala Kumar Bhagini. Let us start from the beginning of the Gadyam, because each one choosing a line in between, it will take time for others to find the particular line. So let us go in an order. It will be easier for everyone.
Okay.
Shyamala
But I want to chant 47, madam. I want to chant 47 Sundarakanda.
47 Sundarakanda. Okay. If you know the exact number, tell, because everyone will know where to look. Otherwise, it will take time to look through. Yes, Bhagini, please chant.
Ram Ram, madam.
Ram Ram.
Apara paravara parikha parivrita parapura parisruta davadahana javana bhavana bhava kapivara parishvanka bhavita sarvasva dhana.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted.
Dhanyavadaha.
Yes. Once you finish chanting, please go back to mute. Rukmani Gopal Bhagini, please unmute. Please unmute Rukmani Gopal Bhagini.
Namo Namaha Bhagini.
Namo Namaha.
Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadira Daureya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikila Nirjara Nirdarita Niravadik Mahatmya.
Bhagini, one thing, everywhere the Mahapranas should be clearer. Mahadhira Dhaureya. Here Nikhila, Nirdharita, Niravajika. It would come with practice, Bhagini. Please practice the Mahapranas. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Sitaraman Subramanya Mahodaya. Please unmute. I think you went back to mute. Yes. Dashavadana. Unable to hear you. Unable to hear you, Mahodaya. Please check the audio settings. It's unmuted but unable to hear you. Okay, not able to hear him. Ghansham Mahodaya. Please unmute. You went back to mute. Mhm. I can hear you now.
Should I start, madam?
Yes, yes. The fourth line, Dashavadana.
दशवदन दमित दैवत परिच दर्भर्थित दाशरथि भाव तिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविश दधिपति रण सचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमरुण विमोचन.
So Mahodaya, here it is Chatura, not Chatura. Chatura. That is 2 is a hrasva, short letter. Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita. Please note the pronunciation of that word. Parishadabhyarthita. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you, please listen to the recording and practice so that you learn the correct pronunciation. Varun Aditya Mahodaya. Varun Aditya Nandnuri Mahodaya. I can't find you here. Okay. Jayalakshmi Balasubramanian Bhagini. Please unmute Bhagini. The 7th line.
कोसल सुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित करणाकर
It is not Kara. Karanakara.
कोसल सुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित करणाकार कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर दुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र बृंदवंदित.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
Well chanted. Next, Jnanam Natarajan Mahodaya. I think yesterday also there was some problem. Could not unmute. I hope you are able to unmute now. It still says self-muted, Mahodaya. You are unmuted now. But there is no audio. Can't hear you, Mahodaya. All of you, please check that you are connected to the computer audio. Shamyatam Mahodaya, unable to hear you again. Maybe tomorrow let us try again. Next, Ramakrishna Rao Mahodaya. Ramakrishna Rao Mahodaya, please unmute. It says self-muted.
Unmute. Can you hear me, madam? Can you hear me,
Yes.
madam, now?
Yes, can hear you.
Pranata jana vimata vimathana durlalita dhorlalita tanutara vishikha vitadana vighatita vishararu shararu tataka tatakeya.
Uttamam Mahodaya, Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Sharada Ganesh Bhagini. Please unmute. Jada Kirana. Sharada Ganesh Bhagini, it says self-muted. Please unmute.
Hello,
Yes,
Ram
Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes, can hear you.
Yeah. कुशिकसुत कथित विदित विविध कथ मैथिल नगर सुलोचनालोचन चकोर चंद्र खंड परशु कोदंड प्रकांड खंडन शौंड भुजदंड.
Bhagini, here kodanda prakanda, there's a dvitvam. Kodanda prakanda, please note that.
Shall I repeat?
Only that line. Khanda parashu.
Yeah. Khanda parashu kodanda prakanda khandana shaunda bhujadanda.
Tamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Ramya Kannan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes, can hear you.
Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita Pundarika Vanaruchi Luntaka Lochana Mochita Janaka Hridaya Shankatanka Parihrita Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra Uchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala.
Tamam Bhagini, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Shri Vidya Srinivasan Bhagini. Shri Vidya Bhagini, please unmute.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर कर धृत दुरवन मतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ट्य.
Parameshthya Mahaprana.
Parameshthya.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. The tha should be clearer. The Mahapranas will come with practice. So please pay attention to the Mahapranas. Suresh Ranganathan Mahodayaha. Please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Kratuhara Shikari Kanduka Vitrityunmukha Jagadarun Danti Danturoronta Dashavadana Gamana Kushala Dashatata Bhuja Mukha Dripati Kula Rudira Jarabara Arati Pritutara Takaka Tarpita. Sorry?
It is Bharita, not Bharati. Bharita.
Bharita Pritutara Tataka Tarpita Pitruka Brigupati Sugati Vihati Karanata Parudishu Pariga.
Mahodaya, Mahapranas should be more clear. And this line, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you properly. I will just repeat. Jagadaruntuda Jita Hari Danti Danta Dantu Roronta. I couldn't hear your reciting properly. Also, this particular line, there are pathantaras, especially here. Jagadaruntuda Jita Hari Danti Danta Dantu Roronta. There are certain changes in some texts. So, we have followed this particular version. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Bhavya Umadevi Bhagini, I can't find your name. I think Umadevi PP Bhaiya. Okay, that must. I think you had sent me an email, Bhagini. Please unmute. Umadevi Bhagini. Yes. Yes.
Andrita Bhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitruvachana Palana Pratigna Vagnata Yavvarajya Nishadaraja Sauhruda Suchita Saushilya Sagara. भरद्वाज शासन परिगृहीत विचित्र चित्रकूटगिरि कटक तट रम्यावसथ.
Yes, so here Bhagini Palana Pratignya, there is a Dvitvam. Palana Pratignya Vagnya also. Last this line, it is Parigrihita. Please note the pronunciation of that word. Parigrihita. There is no extra.
Bharadwaja Shasana Parigrihita Vichitra Chitrakootagiri Kataka Tata Ramyavasatha.
You are chanting Parigrihita, Bhagini. You are chanting an extra G. You are chanting Parigrihita. It is Parigrihita. Parigrihita. That's all. There is no Parigrihita. Yes. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Yeah, so please note all of you, it is not Parigrihita. There is no G there, extra G. It is just Parigrihita. Gr is a Gunitaksharam. It is not a Sanyuktaksharam. Gunitaksharam means G plus R, Gr, that's all. Like Griham. There is no Parigrihita. Parigrihita. Please note that pronunciation. Krishnamurti Mahodayah, M. Krishnamurti Mahodayah. Please unmute Mahodaya. Yes.
Ram. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
47. 47, ma'am.
You want to chant 47? Okay.
Yeah, that's Sundarakand.
Sundarakand. Okay, this seems to be the favorite line.
Apara para parika parivrita parapura parisrita davadahana javana pavanubhava kapivara parishvanga bhavita sarvasvadana.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Just again the Mahapranas. Pavana bhava. Bha is Mahaprana. Parishvanga, kapivara parishvanga bhavita. Bha is Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Lakshmi Devi Charan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Hello.
Yes, Bhagini.
Yeah.
You could chant this Yuddhakanda.
No, my son, he wants to chant in Balakandam somewhere between 1 to 10.
Oh, he wants to chant Balakandam. Okay. Will he chant this Jada Kirana? Oh, that is 12. Okay. He can chant Kosala Sutta.
Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Naka. Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Naka Karanakara. Kaumarakeli Gopayita Kaushika Dhvara Ranadhvara Dhurya Bhavya Divyastra Brinda Vandita.
Uttamam, very well chanted. Namakan Bhavata. What is your name?
Sridhar.
Sridhar.
Oh.
Well chanted. Try to memorize it. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Vishalakshi Ramani Bhagini. Please unmute. Vishalakshi Ramani Bhagini, please unmute. Yes, Bhagini, let us, if you're okay, we'll go to Yuddhakanda. We have not chanted that much.
Yuddhakanda.
Not revised it much.
Yuddhakanda.
Oh, Yuddhakanda, va?
48.
Okay. Okay. Ahita Sahodara
Visalakshi Ramani Kappa Kutrika.
Priya.
Where are you? It's Visalakshi Ramani with you. But somebody, again, this is second or third time.
Vishalakshi, I can hear you.
Sorry, but another Vishalakshi is chanting. This is third time.
No, we have only unmuted one person, Bhagini. There is no other person on unmute.
No, we are hearing some other Vishalakshi chanting.
Have you logged in from more than one?
Firstly, also it happened.
Okay, I am able to hear you, Bhagini. You could chant because I'm not hearing anything.
Thank you.
Only your voice is heard.
Yuddhaganda.
Yes,
Ram. अहित सहोदर रक्ष परिग्रह विसंवादि विविध सजीव विप्रलंब समय संभ्रंब समुज्रिंबिद सर्वेश्वर भाव सकृत प्रपन्न जन संरक्षण दीक्षित
उत्तमं
भगिनी.
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha. The only thing is Mahapranas should be clearer. I think I'm repeating it multiple times. So please note the Mahapranas have to be clear. And just another observation is, very general observation. Ka, ga, ta, da, pa, ba. These have to be differentiated. Sometimes these letters, I don't know why the difference is not made out so clearly. Please note ta, da. In ta vargaha, ta is the first letter, da is the third letter. Ta, da, and pa, ba in pa vargaha, and ka, ga in ka vargaha. They have to be clearly differentiated while chanting. Next, Bharani Bhagini. Bharani Rangarajan Bhagini, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, from the 50th line.
50?
50th.
Veera Satyavrata Pratishayana Bhumika Bhushita Payodi Pulina. Next one I can continue, ma'am. Pralaya Shikiru Parusha Vishika Shika Shoshita Kupara Varipura.
Uttamam Bhagini, Mahapranas again have to be differentiated. Pratishayana Bhumika, Bhushita, Payodhi, Pralaya Shikhi, Parusha Vishika, Shikha. So please note the Mahapranas. All of you please try to listen to the recording, and also you could record while reciting and see if you are able to make out the difference. Mark Anthony Mahodaya, very happy that you have joined us for this course also, apart from Bhagavad Gita.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste. Mark Anthony Mahodaya's native language is not any Indian language, but he has made a great effort even in the Bhagavad Gita course to understand the pronunciation of Sanskritam, him and his sons also. Really appreciate your interest, Mahodaya, and your dedication. Is there any particular line you want to chant?
Yes. Prabalari Pukalaha Kutuka Chatula Kapikula Karatala Tulita Hrita Girinikara Sadhita Setupatha Sima Simantita Samudra.
Amazing, really good. That you're able to pick up the Sanskritam words, and your Mahapranas also were clear. Sadhita Setupatha. Uttamam Mahodaya.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Annapurna Nori Bhagini. I don't see Annapurna Nori Bhagini. I see another Annapurna Bhagini. Probably you only sent me an email. Could you please unmute Annapurna Bhagini? Please unmute. Okay.
Yeah, Ram Bhagini, my Annapurna Annu sister, Annapurna Ayyala Swamiyajula.
Okay, you could chant 55th line.
Dhruta gati taru mruga daruthini niruddha lanka varodha
Tarumrigavarutini.
That only, no, madam?
That only, that line only, yes.
Druta gati tarumruga varuthini niruddha lankavarodha vepatulya tulasya lilopadini.
It doesn't end there, Bhagini. Vepachulasya lilopadesha devika dhanurjya ghosha.
Okay, madam, okay. Druta gati tarumruga varuthini niruddha lankavarodha vepatulya tulasya lilopadesha deshika dhanurjya घोषा गगनचर कनकगिरि गरिमधर निगममय निज गरुड गरुद नीललव गलित विषवदन शरकदन. Okay na madam?
Yes, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. That Vepachulasya, please be careful. You were chanting something else, but you corrected. Vepachulasya.
Vepathu.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Next, Jayashankar Mahodayah. We have a few more who have sent emails. Till I think about 3:45 p.m. or so today, I have noted down the names. Jayashankar Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Oh, Ram Ram Bhagini. Okay.
Akritachara vanachara ranakarana vailakshya kunitaksha bahuvida rakshobhaladyaksha vaksha kavata patana patimasa topa kopavalepa.
Just a second. It is not akritachara, it is akritachara. So it is not akrita, akritachara. This is just kri, like kripa, just kri, that's it. Akritachara and punita.
Akritachara.
Correct.
Kunitaksha bahuvida rakshobhaladyaksha vaksha kavata.
Just a second. It's not kunitaksha, it is kunitaksha.
Kunitaksha bahuvida rakshobhaladyaksha vaksha kavata patana patima satopa kopavalepa.
It is vaksha kavata. It is not vaksha kavata. Vaksha kavata. Visarga followed by ka. Vaksha kavata. Jihva mulya.
Vaksha kavata.
Right. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Please practice this. Dhanyavadaha. Next. Geeta Tyagarajan Bhagini. Please unmute. Please unmute Bhagini. Geeta Tyagarajan Bhagini. It says self-muted. Okay. It still is muted. Could you unmute Bhagini? Geeta Tyagarajan Bhagini? Yes. You're going back to mute Bhagini. You're unmuting. You're continuously muting and unmuting. I think you should say yes. It's unmuted now.
Unmuted.
Yes, now it's unmuted.
Namaste ji. Now only it is working. The blue coming now. Okay. Namaste ji. Ram 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 Ram.
Katurata dattanitam kriti.
Akrita. Adledana. Angendana.
You can chant that. Akrita chana.
Akritachara vanachara ranakarana chailak vailakshya purnitaksha takshabra kunitaksha okay kunitaksha bahuvidha rakshobhaladya रक्षोभलाध्यक्ष कवाट पाटन पटिमसाटोप कोपावलेप
धन्यवादाः धन्यवादाः you were a bit uncertain, but with practice you will definitely get it. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Nagaraj HR Mahodaya. Nagaraj HR Mahodaya, please unmute. It says self-muted.
Good evening, madam. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Mahodaya.
So, Katurata Datani.
Yes.
कटुरट दटनिटंकृति चटुल कठोर कार्मुख विनिर्गत विशंकट विशिख विताडन विघटित मकुट विफल विश्रवस्तनय विश्रम समय विश्राणन विख्यात विक्रम कुंभकर्ण कुलगिरि विदलन दंभोलीभूत निश्चंक कंकपत्र.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Vishankata Vishika. I don't know. I mean, I heard something else. Vishankata Vishika.
Yeah, Vishankata Vishika. Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Next, Vijaya Bhagini. I have 3 more names, 4 including Vijaya Bhagini, who have sent me an email. Vijaya Bhagini. There are many Vijaya Bhaginis here. Vijaya Shailappan Bhagini. Okay, I don't know who had sent me an email. AS Vijaya Lakshmi Bhagini, please unmute. AS Vijaya Lakshmi Bhagini.
Ram.
Ram.
अभिचरण हुतवः परिचरण विघटन सरभस परितद परिमित कपिबल
परिमित
परिपतद परिमित कपिबल जलधि लहरि कल कलरव कुपित मघवजिद बिहनन कृदनुज साक्षिक राक्षसद्वन्द्व युद्ध.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavad.
Well chanted. Next, Annapurna Bhagini. Annapurna Bhagini. Annapurna Sista, the name says. Okay, I can't find. There's another Annapurna. Annapurna Bhagini. Yes, please unmute. You had just unmuted, Bhagini. Please unmute. Apratidvandva. You could chant from there.
Apratitadvandva paurusha triambaka.
It is not
Apratidvandva paurusha triambaka samadhika gaura.
Triambaka Samadhika.
Triambaka Samadhika Ghaura Shastrambara Sarathi Ghoradambara Sarathi.
Bhagini, just a second, that word is not being pronounced properly. It is Ghorastradambara.
Ghorastradambara.
Yes.
Saradhi Hrutaratha Shatrapa Shastra Satyapatita Pratapa.
Yapita Pratapa. It is Satyapita Pratapa Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Please practice. Also, one tip is please do not be fast in moving to the next line. Please chant each line correctly and then move to the next line. So it is not about finishing the lines and going to the next line. So please see each and every letter, each and every word if you're getting it correctly. Perfect it line by line and then go to the next line. That would help. Shri Priya SK Bhagini. Please unmute. Shri Priya SK Bhagini, please unmute. It says self-muted. There are two SK Shri Priya Bhaginis here. I think you've logged in with 2 accounts. Please unmute. Okay, unable to unmute you, Bhagini. It says self-muted. If you could unmute yourself, then I can hear you.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Yes. Namaste.
शीतशार कृतलवन दशमुख मुखदशक
शीतशर कृतलवन.
भगिनि शीतशर कृतलवन दशमुख मुखदशक निपथन पुनरुदय धर घलित जनित धर थरल हरिहयनयन नलिनवन रुचिकचित निपतित सुरतरु कुसुम विधति सुरभित रथपथ.
Yes, Kusuma Vitati, the entire word, there is no Mahaprana. Next is Surabhita Ratha Patha. So, Bhi is Mahaprana, Ratha Patha, Tha are Mahapranas. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Panturi Ramakrishna Mahodaya. Okay, I can't find Panturi Ramakrishna Mahodaya. I've called out all the names who had sent me an email. If you have received a chance to chant today, please lower your hands. Shailaja Gunda Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
अखिल जगदधिक भुज बल वर बल दश लपन लपन दशक लवन जनित कदन परवश रजनी चर युवती विपलपन वचन समविश विपलपन विलपन वचन समविषय निगम शिखर निकर मुखर मुख मुनिवर परिपणित.
Tamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Sundari Siddhartha Bhagini. Next one.
Sundari Siddhartha.
Yes, yes.
Abhigata Shatamukha Hudavaha Pitrupati Nirriti Varuna Pavana Dhanada Vidisha Pramukha Sudapati Nuti Mudita.
Not Shatamukha, it is Shatamakha.
Oh, Abhigata Shatamakha. Okay. Amitamyati Vidhi Vidita Katita Nida Vibhava Daladi Prisha Talava. My God.
Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. Next, Ravichandar S. Mahodaya. Whoever has chanted, please lower your hands. It would make it easier for me. Ravichandar S. Mahodaya, please unmute. Ravichandar S. Mahodaya. Okay. Uma Devi Ranganna Bhagini. Please unmute.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Vigita Bhaya Vibhuda Vibodhita Veera Shayana Shayita Vanara Prutanauga Swasamaya Vighatita Sughatita Sahrudaya Sahadharma Charinika Vibhishana Vashamvadikruta Lankaishwarya.
Tamam Bhagini. Lankaishwarya, it is not Lankaishwarya, Lankaishwarya. Uma N Bhagini, next. Uma N Bhagini.
श्रूयते वा भगिनि?
श्रूयते.
निष्पन्नकृत्य कपुष्पित रिपुपक्ष पुष्पकरभसगति गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव प्रतिज्ञार्णव तरणकृत क्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. चित्रा त्यागराजन भगिनी, please unmute.
Hello, Bhagini, can you hear me?
Yes, Bhagini, I can hear you.
Yeah. Swamin Raghavam Ragavasimha Hatakagiri Katakalahataha Patapika
कटकलडः पादपीठ.
हाटकगिरि कटकलटः पादपीठ निकटतट परिलुढित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि विविध मणिगण किरण निकर निराजित चरण राजीव मणिगण किरण निकर नीराजित, right? चरण राजीव.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी, good to hear you after the Gita webinar. धन्यवादाः.
Also ending now. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini, you can write to me because there are others also. धन्यवादाः. Savita CV Bhagini. Savita CV. Yes, Shubha Charita.
राम राम.
शुभ
चरित रत भरत खर्वित गर्व गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. शिवानी PS भगिनी, please unmute. शिवानी PS भगिनी.
राम राम.
राम राम राम.
विधिवश परिणमतमर फणिति कविवर रचित निज चरित निबंधन निशमन निर्वृत सर्वजन सम्मानित पुनरुपस्थापित विमानवर विश्राणन प्रीणित वैश्रवण विश्राणन प्रीणित वैश्रवण विश्रावित यशः प्रपंच.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. नेक्स्ट हरिणी चावली भगिनी. हरिणी भगिनी, प्लीज अनम्यूट.
नमस्ते मानिए.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
From where I should?
पंचतापन्न.
पंचतापन्न मुनिकुमार संजीवनामृत त्रेतायुग प्रवर्तित कार्तयुग वृत्तांत अविकल बहु सुवर्ण हयमख सहस्र निर्वहण निर्वर्तित निजवर्ण श्रम धर्म.
सहस्र निर्वहण निर्वर्तित निजवर्णाश्रम धर्म. That entire thing is one line. We don't stop after सहस्र निर्वहण.
Okay.
Okay. धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Sorry. Yes, you could chant. Okay.
सहस्र निर्वहन निर्वर्तित निज वर्णाश्रम
धन्यवादाः भगिनी। प्रवीण एस्के महोदयः।
राम राम राम।
Ram Ram Ram. There are many more who are waiting to chant. Maybe we can go on for another few minutes, but not beyond that. Let us see how many ever we can finish. Yes, Praveen Mahodaya.
सर्वकर्म समाराध्य सनातन धर्म साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक जंगम तदितर जंतु जात दिव्यगति दान दर्शित नित्य निस्सीम वैभव।
उत्तमं महोदय, धन्यवादाः। मिथाली राव भगिनी, प्लीज अनम्यूट। मिथाली राव भगिनी, प्लीज अनम्यूट।
नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते।
भवतपनतापित भक्तजन भद्राराम श्रीराम भद्र नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमः।
उत्तमं भगिनी, वेल चैंटेड, धन्यवादाः। RN Prasad Mahodaya, please unmute. You could chant the shloka Mahodaya.
चतुर्मुखैश्वर्वमुखैः पुत्रपौत्रादिशालिने नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने।
धन्यवादाः महोदय।
धन्यवादः।
Ashwini S Bhagini, please unmute. Ashwini S.
Namaste ma.
Namaste.
Yeah. Okay. Kavi kataka simha kathitam katora sukumara gumbha gambiram bhava bhaya bheshaja metat pathata mahavira vaibhavam सुधियः।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी, धन्यवादाः। भारती श्रीधर भगिनी। Bharati Sridhar Bhagini, please chant this verse. Kavitarkika. Okay, there seems to be some problem with the audio. Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini, please chant this. Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini, please unmute.
एक निमिषं भगिनि। कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः। The tune is not correct, Bhagini, but
Bhagini, there is no correct or wrong tune, Bhagini. You can chant in any tune.
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादाः। Any tune is okay. Giri Bhargavi Mahodayah, please unmute. Giri Bhargavi Mahodayah, or rather, okay, Muttu Kumaran Mahodayah, Muttu Kumaran Giri Bhargavi. The same shloka, Kavitarkika Simhaya.
कवितार्कितसिंहाय कल्याणगुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी। Mohanavalambe Bhagini, please unmute. The previous verse.
Bhagini,
Huh.
Bhagini, I
Yes.
want to do the Gadyam. Please give me a long line.
Long line.
Because this we do in the temple all the time, Bhagini.
Okay, which line do you want?
This is good. Anything
Okay,
from whatever you give me.
Okay.
Sorry, I can't get tunes. I have no musical note in my body.
That's okay. Panchatapanna
Kumara Sanjeevanamrita Traita Yuga Pravarti
Treta Yuga
Avikala Bahus Traitya Yuga Pravartita Karta Yuga Vrittanta Avikala Bahusuvarna Hayamaka Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarna Shrama Dharma.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. It is Treta Yuga Pravartita. I heard something else. Treta Yuga Pravartita. Padmini Varadan Bhagini. You could continue.
Yeah.
Which one? Sarvakarma Samaradhya Sanatana Dharma Saketa Janapada Janidhanika Jangama Tatitara Januta Jata Jantujata Divyagati Dana Darshita Nitya Nissima Vaibhava.
Dhanyavadaha. Sanatana Dharma. Dha should be Mahaprana. Pappu Shobha Lata Mani Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Yeah. Bhavatapanathapita bhakta jana bhadra Rama Sri Rama Bhadra Namaste Namaste Punaste Namaha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Prasanna Manikantan Bhagini. Prasanna Manikantan.
Puiteva.
Puite Bhagini.
Bhagini, line number 20, can?
Yeah, sure. At least by 5:30, I'm thinking we should stop. I may not be able to call out all your names. Sorry. Those who have not chanted even today, please send me an email. Those who have chanted, let us please give others a chance tomorrow, as tomorrow is the last day. Prasanna Manikantan Bhagini.
Kratuhara Shikhari Kanduka Virutyunmukha Jagadaruntuda Jita Haridanti Danta Danturoronta Dashavadana Damana Kushala Dashashata Bhuchamukha Nupati Kula Rudhira Jarabhara Bharita Prudhutara Tataka Tarpita Pitruka Bhrugupati Sugati Vihati Karanata Parudishu Parikha.
Uttamam Bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
Okay. I don't think we have any more time. So whoever has not recited today, please send me an email. If you send it to me in the questions tab here, I won't be able to see all of them at a time. Those who have not recited even once, please send me an email and I will go through it. I'm just quickly going through the questions. If entire Gadyam tomorrow, some of you have asked for entire Gadyam without Ragam. Maybe I will send a separate recording of that and you could we'll upload it on the portal, because doing twice will not be possible, once with and once without Ragam. Okay. Some of you have said your kids want to chant. I'll be grateful if you could please send me an email because I can't access the questions after we leave the webinar. I'm just noting down the names of those who say their kids want to chant. Maybe I will call out their names tomorrow. Okay. If I've missed anyone, I'm very sorry. Please send me an email and I will conclude today's class with Shanti Mantraha as usual. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Shvaha Punarvilamaha. For the final class tomorrow, let us meet at 4 o'clock and we will conclude with the entire Gadyam. For the remaining time, after we finish listening to the Gadyam, I will call out your names and those who want can chant individually. Dhanyavadaha.